Is Avast AVG pathing failed due to the Instup Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's repair your internal links and get you back to work. Before we dive into the Instup Library troubleshooting, a resource for system environment optimization is available below. This is the Instup Library, the installation and update engine core for Avast and AVG security products. It manages localized patch orchestration, digital signature verification of update packages, and the localized atomic replacement of binaries during the update cycle. If this module is blocked by permissions, the antivirus will fail to retrieve new virus definitions, leaving the host vulnerable to 2026 zero-day threats. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. When a core file like Instup Library DLL is missing, it's best to let Windows perform a self-repair. Access an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to synchronize and restore any damaged or missing system-level files. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Instup library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Don't let a small error become a total system rebuild by trying to force install Instup Library DLL into directories where it doesn't belong. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. If system conflicts or lag are present, the resource below outlines concepts related to Instup library management. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching Instup Library today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.